Are you ready for the snow?
Yeah, I had to move the snow back.
Oh, this stuff is fun.
Yeah.
Just under 6 months. So Santa changed that.
He just turned a year in November. Or September, sorry. Is he happy? Yep.
Good job. Can we try sitting on the red blanket?
He can be made.
He's a good distraction.
Do a little. How's that?
Oh, that's such a good look.
The cowlicks.
Sit. Do you want to say your name?
Got you. Who's that? Good girl. Over.
There we go. Perfect. Hi. Oh my goodness. Perfect. Girls. She's like, don't touch my feet, please. Yeah. Is that better? Sure. Good job.
Let me hold you. Can you see his face?
Hey, buddy. Look up. Hi, Jiggy. Hey, Jiggy. Hey, Jiggy.
Great.
Okay.
I love that.
Would you like a snack?
Sit, mister.
Sit,
Mister.
Good job. That was such a good job.
So close. So close.
So serious.
That's all you have on your phone.
Sorry.
No. hiding in there? Can you see the little... Hold on. How do you fix this? Ooh, I'm sorry, honey. There, is that okay?
Alright, so we're gonna look
Sorry.
over here. Look right at me. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
You gotta go stay with him too.
Yeah, Santa ain't coming to me.
Go ahead.
When Santa brings me a prize, I'll go sit on Santa's lap.
Oh, sorry.
They did marshmallow.
Alright, ready? Oh, she's gonna eat your beard.
That's opposite what I thought would
Yeah, the two squeakers work. I know. Hold on, guys. They're like, what's happening?
Alright, let me get some pictures of them.
Whoop. Got one.
She's like, she's gonna be right back. Yeah, she just wants to right behind you so that they have a little bit with Sarah.
Oh my goodness, hello. Hi.
Oh, you're such a love. Oh, you're such a love. You're such a love. You're such a love. Such a love. Hello. You're such a smart idea. Oh, such a smart right here. Oh, all right.
I know you smell all day together, so yeah. I got him.
Good job, boys. He's like, what is that? Ah, there. He's like, I don't like that camera. Hold on. Whoop, hold on, Rick.
As long as she's alright with that.
I won't eat you, I promise. I promise. I promise I won't eat you. They have treats in
He's probably. Yeah, he's not very motivated.
Just the sound.
He's all there.
on, honey. I know you want it.
Good girl. Perfect.
Good job. You a model. You a model.
That gives them a focal point of someone that they're familiar to.
Sit. Nice job.
Good job.
Good turn.
What are you watching?
It's okay. That's girl. Stay.
I smell like all of the dogs.
That's it.
Oh, so handsome.
What's the name? Wiggles? Really?
Yeah, that's awesome. Oh, what a good job.
It's like my butt's gonna wiggle.
Good job.
Yay!
We are good boys. We're good boys.
Let's fix that.
Stay right there. Wait.
Hi, Meadow. Can you look over here?
Can you position her a little bit more that way?
Which way? This way?
Yeah.
Can you have a treat? Boys. Yo, want dogs? No, I don't want that.
Good job. Hi. Oh. Hi. Can you sit? Can you sit? That was such a good sit.
Alright, so what I'll have you do is stand right behind me so that they look right at you. That way we get a good photo.
Ooh, sorry, I missed him. Are we doing separate ones?
Separate and then
Okay.
together. Picture perfect!
Good boy. That was so good.
Stay. Stay. Arnie.
Yeah!
Are we doing one separate or together?
Try it together. Yes, you get another dog. Sit.
Are you leaving the whole thing on? Yeah.
Good job. Hold on 2 seconds. I'm right here with you, buddy, okay?
Mama, sit. Yeah, good job.
I'm right here. I'm right here. Wait, sit up. Sit.
And we're just gonna
Stay.
call their
Good
names.
job.
Coffee, Momo. Rocky, sit. Sit. Do him standing.